Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Rubbermaid Brilliance containers. So these are plastic containers. They are called Stain Shield because they're supposed to resist stains. These are plastic. They also make a glass version. What's really neat about them too is that the lids are interchangeable between these plastic ones and their glass counterparts. So these come in different packs. This is a 2-pack of, I think this is the 3.2 cup version, or 757 milliliters. They also come in a lot of other different sizes. This is a really big one. This is a little same size but a little deeper. This cute little tiny one for small things. And here's one we are using right now. It's got an avocado in it. And what's really neat about these is that they really help keep all the air out. So when you put away your avocado, you want to try to keep it somewhat green, right? You put the lid on it like this, and it snaps in, and it really takes care of all the air. So it's really nice and secure. And then when you take it out, you know, you can actually hear, well, it's hard to hear on this one, but you know, this really keeps things fresh. These are great. You can throw them in the microwave to reheat your food. You can wash them in your dishwasher on the top rack. Did I miss anything else here? They're freezer safe, and they're BPA free. You need to wash them before you use them. So we really like these, and they come in lots of different sizes, and they're great for storing your food. So these are the Rubbermaid Brilliance Stain Shield plastic containers. Thank you.